Hey everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Here I have the Beads of the Month Club. I received 2 of them monthly. These are from Adornable Elements, and I received 2 of them monthly, the Hot and Trendy Beads of the Month and the 2 Whole Beads of the Month. You can use my coupon code BNJewelry10 to save 10% off on your first order from them. I will leave a link to in the code and their website below. Each one of these I'm about to show you is $22.95 a month for the single ones, which is what I get. And then they also have a double one for $39.95 per month. And they also have quite a few other bead subscriptions as well. They have fire polish, gemstones, seed beads, all of those. So definitely go and check out their website and use my coupon code if you would like to order something. So here we are starting with, let me see. This is the Hot and Trendy Bead of the Month Club, Mossy Null. And 2 Whole Beads of the Month Club, Plum Royale. Oh, these are pretty. Oh, look at those. Ooh. I always love getting their beads. They're so much fun. They're so much fun to work with. So let me get these unboxed and I'll be right back. Okay, we're starting with Mossy Null, Hot and Trendy Beads of the Month Club. This is BON 612. This is the chalk green luster bow ties. They're 6 grams for $2.25. Ooh, okay. Just gonna open up some of them. And here we see they have 3 holes. These are so pretty. I love the finish on there, the shiny finish. They're so nice and smooth. I wish I had some earrings in front of me that I've created with these. I love making like pendants and earrings with these. I'm like addicted to their their beads, because it's like playing with Lego blocks. I always say, you know, they have the 2 and 3 holes and they're just, some of them are so odd shaped. So these are really pretty. And these were 6 grams for $2.25. Okay. And next, and I did make an earring the other day. I have to show you. I made using these, but from one of the past boxes. These are ARC 510. Someone had said to me that they want me to hold these up like this and say the number, so if they wanted to order them on their own. And these are the Pastel Sage Arcos Parpucas, 6.5 grams for $4. And as you can see, there's 3 holes in them. And I want to show you an earring. I will definitely be doing an earring tutorial this month with them. But this is what I did. I just did this a couple days ago. I had some extra ones from a couple months ago when I was messing around with them. And I added the seed beads to them, and I thought they turned out really cool. So I will, and it was really easy to make these. So I will be doing an earring tutorial with these this month. So pretty. Let's get these all. Oh, I'm going the wrong way. Okay. Yeah, I've been working with them for about a year now with these beads, maybe a little longer, and I love them. Now here, I don't have, let me see if I have, no, I don't. I made some really cool jewelry with these. These are the metallic suede. They're QDL06 metallic suede light green quadrilental, 7 grams for $3.25. I don't see them in front of me. These are a blast to work with. They have the 4 holes on them, and they're lentil beads. And you could just use 1 hole if you want, leave the other ones open, you know, or use 2 opposite-ended ones. You don't have to use all 4 of the holes. They're just there if you need them. And these were 7 grams for $3.25. It's a nice little package of them that you get. And these aren't ones you'll find, like, you know, for people who go to Michael's and buy beads. You will not find any of these at places like that. These are very unique made beads. Next is DGR 516. These are the green laser checkered dagger beads, 25 for $7.25. These are a little more expensive, but you can use them sparingly. And They got one hole. Oh my gosh, how cool are these? These remind me of like racing cars. So here's the hole right there. It's right at the top. And both sides are the same. And then the side, that's the side right there. These are so much fun. Start your engines. I think I've had too much coffee this morning. Coffee and beads, and I am a happy girl. Let me tell you. And then you get that 4 p.m. pick-me-up when you're in your bead room. You start getting tired. Instead of going out of the bead room, you just drink more coffee. And next is MSH 98. And this is the Jet Red Green Luster Matte Mushroom. 20 pieces for $4.75. I don't know. I don't see any red on here. So they must be where you could either get the red or green. And these are really cool because it has a really odd shaped hole. So let me show you what I did. I made a pendant with these. And you see how you can push those together like that? And so I took a needle and thread and I made a little teardrop with these, and it just went like this, and then I attached it with 3 of them doing this, and then it went up into a necklace. And it was really cool. I loved it. So, oh, there's falling everywhere. Okay. We have these. And next is the PTL 87. And these are Jet Picasso Matte Rose Petals, 30 pieces for $2.25. And these I will show you what I did. So here is where the hole's at. It's at the top. So I have these. And they have some texture on them. They're really cool, the color. Because they're dark. So you could, I mean, you could even use these to make something like something goth, you know, that's... Okay, so here's a pair of earrings that I made using the rose petal beads and some seed beads. So I made these. So I just have them hanging. And then here was another one that I did with them. And then I added a check glass leaf to the bottom. Let me lay it down here. So I thought that was really cool. And then I did these little seed beads in between. So definitely some fun stuff with these. And next is GUM 710. This is the Jet Picasso Gumdrop, 15 pieces for $4. Let me see, these are okay. And these, oh, I love the texture on those. Look at that. Look how cool that is. Oh, how cool. Look at that. And each one is just a little bit different in their texture. You can really be creative with these. They're such an odd shape. They look like gumdrops. Okay, so we have those. And then next is my OCT 84 Jet Luster Octo, 20 pieces for $2.50. I was going to say October. It's OCT. Stands for October. Okay. So these have 3 holes each. So they've got a hole here, a hole here, and then a hole here. So you can be very creative with these. And like I said with the other ones, you don't have to use all the holes. They're just there for what you would need them for. And love that little indent there. Really cool. Okay, so this is the Mossy Null Hot and Trendy Beads in the Month Club, and let me get the 2-hole beads out. Okay, so we're starting with the 2 Whole Beads of the Month Club Plum Royale, and this is GNK87. This is the Jet Full Slipperit Ginkgos, 7.5 grams for $3. I love this slipperit coating that they have on them, and these are, so there's 2 holes, so there's one on each side, and then there's another one over there. So you could do a lot with these beads. Look at that coating. I love this. I mean, you use these in a pair of earrings or in a pendant or in whatever, a bracelet, whatever. And there's so much going on these. Look at that. Look at that sparkle on them. So pretty. It just adds so much interest, and they're just such fun beads. You can be so creative with these. So when you get these tiny little beads and they have all these different holes in them, I mean, you could pretty much do whatever you want. Let me open these up. I hope this doesn't go flying. Okay, these are CN14 Jet Matte Slipperit Laser Cracked Coin, 5 pieces for $3.25. They've been sending us one of these kind of beads in each month, and look at how cool they are. Let me see. They have 2. This one's got 2 holes. It's got a hole here, and it's got a hole here. There we go. So you see, there's 2 holes up there. What a cool, I mean, you could really make a cool focal pendant with this. So much fun. Oh. Okay. And next, oh, these are fun. It's PD85. This is the Halo Magenta Paisley Duos, 7.5 grams for $4.25. And these are, like I said, these are from the 2 Whole Beads a Month Club. So there's 2 holes. So you have a hole right there, and then a hole right there. And there's a lot you can do with these. These are great for making flower beads, or just little discs connected together to make a bracelet. The world is your oyster with these beads. And next is GD85 Halo Magenta Gem Duos, 7.5 grams for $4.75. And these are so much fun. Now these have, let me get this, a top and a bottom. These do have a little dome up at the top. And that's one hole, and then here's the other one. So you could see both the holes, but see, this is a top, and then that's the bottom. The bottom's flat. You could use the flat side as a top if you want. Look how pretty these are. Okay. And next is the KHP06, and these are metallic suede, light pink Cheops Parpucas, and 7 grams is $4.25. Let me see. And these, they go on the sides like this. So there's so you see, this is the bottom. There's 2 holes there. So you can do some really cool things with these. And next is HCJ06. This is the chiseled bronze pale gold honeycomb jewel, 30 pieces for $3.25. Not enough sleep and too much coffee this morning. Okay. So this is the top part of it. So it does have that dome look. And then this is the flat bottom. So you get, yeah, so here's one hole right there. And then the other hole's right there. So these are pretty. And next is SQ205. Talk right. Purple Vega Silky Minis, 30 pieces. Oh, these are the mini version of those ones. Oh, these are really cool because they have a flat side, and then this dome side is just in the middle with, let me see, trying to grab these. So this is the flat side, and then this is the, hold on, and then this is the dome side. So this goes this way, this goes vertical, and the holes go the opposite way. So it really gives some interest when you sew with, you know, when you design something with these. So pretty. And next is the DU05. These are Crystal Amber Super Duos. They always, pretty much always send us some Super Duos. And these were 12.5 grams for $3.75. And these make a great addition to anything. There's 2 holes. So there's one at the top and then one at the bottom. That's the side of it. And like I said, use my coupon code BNJewelry10 to save 10% off your first order with them. And I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. And stay tuned. I have another video after this that I think you will love. So watch till the end. And all of my information is below in the description for these and for my stuff. And you guys have a great day. And thank you so much for watching.